So over here you can see that I have a spreadsheet with a list of 20 first name and last name, and let's say I want to divide out these names right here, but I don't know the formula for it. In that case, Gemini can help. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say cell A1 has first name and last name right here. I want to divide the names separately. I want to divide the first name names name and last name separately right here, just like this. And I'm now going to say what is the formula that I can enter in Google Sheets for that right here. So I'm simply asking around the formula right here, and I've mentioned cell A1 as well. And once I do that, it says you don't actually need a formula to divide, as you can see right here, but you can also utilize the split method, as you can see right here, just like this. So now you can see that this is what you have right here. So using the split method if you prefer formula, or there's data tab right here as well. So now it says go around onto the tab right here. So now go to the data tab on the top menu right here, and then what it is saying is that it says click on split text into columns right here. So now this is what you have, and if I were to split text onto columns right here, I'm going to go around and say space right here, just like this, and you can see that it simply detected it out. You can go around over here and then utilize this, let's say for example, onto the split detector right here, just like this, and then I'm going to go around and space, and now you can see that it's divided into first name and last name. So it provided out the steps as well, but it says if you prefer the formula right here, just like this, now you got split A2 right here, just like this. So if I were to go around right here and then do this right here, then you can see that that is what you have. So now I'm going to go around onto A1 right here, because that is where the formula is, and if I were to drag it out right here, then you can see that this is what you have. And that is how you can go around and split out the first name and last name using the spreadsheet formula that Google Gemini actually generated. So that is how you can get a spreadsheet formulas from Google Gemini if you don't know the formula. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.